Yo. Truth be told, I wanted something spicy. Truth be told, I wanted something sweet. Truth be told, I wanted pork belly. Truth be told, I wanted takeout. Truth be told, this recipe is a result of all of that. Truth be told, you're always welcome in my kitchen. Now, this recipe is amazing. It's the perfect balance of sweet and spicy, and it's got that takeout style that's sure to satisfy. Kind of like me. But truly, no, it is, I had to share it with you guys because it is absolute deliciousness. And the quick note, you don't have to use this for pork belly. You can use the sauce for any meat you like. That being said, let's get into it. Now, this recipe is similar to the keto orange chicken sauce that I have right here. All right, so I have some pork belly here that I've sliced up into pieces. And the first thing that we want to do is get them nice and crispy on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up a pan. I'm going to go ahead and lay each piece in a single layer in the pan. We're just going to go ahead and cook these until they're nice and crispy on both sides. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and mince up a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Then I have a clove of 2 of fresh garlic that I want to mince up as well. Perfect. And now our pork belly is looking perfect. It's nice and crispy on both sides. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that from the pan. And we're gonna drain the fat until there's about a tablespoon of oil left. And then we're gonna return this back to the heat. And to the oil, we're gonna add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of chili flakes and the minced ginger and garlic. And we're just gonna saute that for about a minute. Then to this, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of a sweetener, and I'm using stevia, of course. We're gonna also add 2 tablespoons of a brown sugar substitute. Now this time I'm using Lakanto's Golden just to kind of change it up a bit and just show you a little bit of variety. And you can find this on Amazon, and which I'll put a link in the description box below, but you can usually find this at your local grocery stores too. Now, once the sugars are melted and liquefied, to this we're going to add 1/4 cup of white vinegar. You can also use rice vinegar as well. 2 tablespoons of a liquid aminos. You could also use soy sauce. A tablespoon of Sriracha. You could also use chili garlic sauce. And a tablespoon of lemon juice. And also 1/4 cup of broth, or you can just use water. Now we're just gonna cook this until it comes to a boil. And once it starts boiling, we're gonna slowly sprinkle in about 1/2 teaspoon of xantham gum. And we're just stirring this constantly until it's nice and thick. Once it's nice and thick like this, then we're just going to add our pork belly pieces back, and we're gonna stir until it's coated in the sauce. And then you just drizzle this with a little sesame oil, add some sesame seeds, and you're done. You serve this over cauliflower rice, and you have sweet and spicy deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you're feeling this sweet and spicy pork belly recipe, and if you're definitely going to make it, because sometimes you just want Chinese takeout and you can't get it because we're ketoans. So now you can make it at home. You're welcome. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.